Feel like your legs are made of jelly and your hands are going numb? What if I told you there's a simple fix and it's not some overpriced supplement, just delicious snacks that can get your body back to peak performance? If you've been dealing with those annoying, tingling hands, wobbly legs, or aching joints that make it hard to even get out of bed, the problem might not be as complicated as you think. It all comes down to collagen. Forget the pricey lotions or magical pills. They won't do much for your body if you're not fueling it right. Collagen is the building block your body needs to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free. And guess what? You don't need a fancy injection or cream to boost it. You just need to add the right foods into your day. Here are 8 collagen-packed snacks that can help reverse those annoying symptoms and have you feeling more like yourself in no time. Trust me, they're so easy to make, ridiculously tasty, and backed by real science to support your joints, nerves, and overall energy as you age. Let's jump in. Snack number 1. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. Let's kick things off with chocolate. And I mean the good stuff. Rich, dark chocolate that's packed with 70% cacao or higher. Dark chocolate is more than just a sweet treat. It's a powerful food that can actually help your body heal and repair itself. Dr. William Li, a researcher who has spent decades studying how food can repair the body, recommends dark chocolate because it's packed with flavonols and proanthocyanidins. These antioxidants help boost collagen production, reduce inflammation, and even protect your DNA from damage. But here's the thing. If you're grabbing a candy bar loaded with sugar, you won't get these benefits. You need the real deal. Melt down 1 ounce of dark chocolate, then stir in roasted almonds for their collagen-boosting amino acids, and dried goji berries for a dose of vitamin C. This little snack is not only indulgent, but also helps support your joints, protect your skin, and keep you moving freely. It's a win-win. Snack number 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Next, let's talk about gelatin, which is basically collagen that's already broken down into a form your body can easily absorb. This is a huge game changer, especially for your joints, skin, and even your nerves. One study found that people who took gelatin before exercising experienced 37% less joint pain. That's not a small difference. It's the kind of relief that can make all your daily activities feel easier. Making these fruit nibbles is super simple. Just heat up some unsweetened cherry or pomegranate juice. Both are full of antioxidants, and dissolve 2 tablespoons of gelatin into it. Once it's cooled and set in the fridge, you've got a chewy, collagen-rich snack that's easy on your body and perfect for on the go. You can even add some fresh berries for a vitamin C boost, which will help your body use that collagen to the fullest. The best part? It's a snack that supports your joints and tissues, helping you feel stronger and more flexible. Snack number 3. Chicken bone broth bites. Now, let's talk about bone broth. This is one of the most powerful collagen-boosting foods you can get. I know, it sounds simple, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to healing your body. Bone broth is loaded with collagen and key amino acids like glycine and proline, which are essential for rebuilding your connective tissues, cartilage, and even helping nerves heal. Making your own bone broth is easy and cost-effective. Just take leftover chicken bones from a roast or even wings, toss them into a pot with some water, vinegar, and vegetables like onions and carrots, and let it simmer for 8 hours. You'll end up with a soft gel once it cools, and that's your collagen-packed broth ready to go. Just heat it up, add some lemon juice and parsley for flavor, and sip on it daily to soothe your joints, ease that creaky feeling, and even help repair your nerves. It's like a warm hug for your body. Snack number 4. Cantaloupe mint bites. You probably don't think of cantaloupe as a secret weapon for collagen, but it's packed with vitamin C, and this vitamin is a must-have for collagen production. Just 1 cup of cantaloupe gives you about 2/3 of your daily vitamin C needs. So, when you eat it regularly, you're helping your body make more collagen, which in turn reduces joint pain and stiffness. This snack is light, refreshing, and incredibly simple. Cut up some cantaloupe into bite-sized cubes, squeeze in fresh lime juice, and toss in a handful of mint leaves and pistachios for a crunch that supports healthy fats. You're not just hydrating, you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to keep moving with ease. Snack number 5. Tomato caprese salad. Snack, you've probably seen tomatoes in a salad, but did you know they're full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect collagen? When tomatoes are heated, your body can actually absorb more lycopene. Combine that with the healthy fats in olive oil and avocado, and you've got a collagen-friendly snack that supports both your skin and your joints. This simple snack is a total game changer. Slice up a ripe tomato, layer it with fresh mozzarella or avocado, drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil, and sprinkle basil on top. It's easy, flavorful, and packed with nutrients to help you stay flexible, reduce inflammation, and even support better skin elasticity. Snack number 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Here's a tropical twist. Guava. This fruit is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which, as you now know, is essential for collagen production. Just 100 grams of guava gives you more vitamin C than an orange, so it's perfect for anyone struggling with joint pain or tingling hands. For a supercharged snack, chop up some fresh guava, mix it with plain Greek yogurt for protein, drizzle with a little honey for sweetness, and top it off with chopped almonds or walnuts. This bowl is not only delicious, but also fights inflammation, supports tissue repair, and gives your body everything it needs to stay strong and flexible. Snack number 7. Kiwi Crunch. If you're looking for a snack that's easy and loaded with vitamin C, kiwi is your go-to. Just 2 kiwis a day can flood your body with the vitamin C it needs to support collagen production. When your body is producing collagen, your skin stays firm, your joints stay strong, and your nerves stay healthy. This snack couldn't be simpler. Slice up a fresh kiwi, sprinkle with some toasted almonds or walnuts, and add a pinch of chili flakes or sea salt for an extra flavor kick. This snack does more than just help you produce collagen. It also supports digestion, strengthens your immune system, and boosts circulation. Snack number 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. Last but not least, pineapple. This tropical fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps fight inflammation, perfect for easing stiff joints and sore muscles. When you pair that with macadamia or cashew nuts, you've got a snack that's not only delicious, but collagen-boosting as well. Cut up some fresh pineapple, mix with your choice of nuts, and sprinkle on a little cinnamon and mint. Cinnamon helps reduce inflammation and balance blood sugar, while mint soothes digestion. This snack doesn't just taste amazing, it's actively working to reduce stiffness and help your body repair itself. Conclusion. There you have it, 8 powerful snacks that are packed with collagen-boosting ingredients to help rebuild and repair your body naturally. From indulgent dark chocolate to nutrient-packed bone broth, each snack is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a way to take care of your joints, skin, and overall health. By incorporating just one of these snacks into your daily routine, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to fight back against that nagging joint pain, tingling hands, and overall weakness that tends to creep in as we age. The best part? These snacks are easy to make, delicious, and backed by science, meaning you don't have to wait around for fancy treatments or expensive supplements. You can start feeling better today, one snack at a time. Remember, collagen is the glue that keeps everything in your body working smoothly. Your joints, your skin, your nervous system, and giving your body the right fuel is the most natural and effective way to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free. So why wait? Start adding these foods into your routine and watch as your body starts to feel like it's in its prime again. If you found this video helpful and want to keep learning about simple, natural ways to take care of yourself as you age, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let me know which snack you're excited to try first, or share your own collagen-boosting food hacks. Let's make those aches and pains a thing of the past and take control of our health in the most delicious way possible.